Is it recording?
Yeah, it is.
Hey, I'm Lawrence,
I'm Gabe.
and we're gonna be playing a song that I wrote a little while ago called "Show Me." My voice is a little shot right now, so bear with me. But hope you like it. I still think you deserve more than these pretty little words, but this is all I've got to give. 'Cause I think that you should give me a reason, give me the time to show you that you're my reason to live. 'Cause I like the way you say things that make me smile. And I like the way you smile. So show me how much you know me. Give me the love that no one else will know. And tell me how much you know me. And tell me the things that no one else will know. I still think you deserve more. What are the things I did to take you away? What are the things I said to make you stay? Show me how much you know me. And tell me the things that no one else will know. Tell me how much you love me. Give me the love that no one else will know. Stay with me. Stay with me. Let the talking people talk. They don't know what we're about. They can mumble all they want, but they'll never figure us out.
Alright.